Okay, good morning. Today we're going to do classwork 04, volume of prisms. So, suppose you have a bucket of paint and there's a label that wraps around the outside, and there is paint on the inside of the bucket. The labeled part, is that surface area or is that volume? Well, of course, that's going to be surface area. Because that's around the outside. And the paint, is the paint part of the surface area of the volume? Well, again, if it fills it, it's going to be volume. And Keon is looking dapper in yet another spiffy outfit. Is his skin part of his surface area or volume? If it's around the outside, it's surface area. And if it fills, like his blood, that would be volume. So the difference between surface area and volume. I like it when my letters travel with me. All right. I'll erase that way. All right, the difference between surface area and volume. Surface area. When we talk about surface area, it's the, sorry. When we talk about surface area, it's the sum of the areas of all the faces. So when we talk about surface area, we're talking about the outside. And when we talk about volume, it's the amount needed to fill the object. Inside. So how are we going to write the units of surface area compared to the units of volume? Surface area, unit squared, volume, units cubed, cubic inches, cubic feet, cubic yards. All right, this is a prior knowledge problem. So we want to find the surface area of this figure. And notice that they gave us the opposum. So we can find the area of the hexagon, 1/2 the base of our equilateral triangle is 8. Our opposum, 6.9. The number of triangles, 6. And the area of one hexagon is 165.6. And we're going to have 6 rectangles too. So the area of a single rectangle is 8 times 9. Not 8.9, 8 times 9. And 8 times 9 is 72. So the total surface area, well, we've got 2 hexagons, and we've got 6 rectangles. So 2 times 165.6 plus 5.2 units squared. So today's lesson is on volume. And when we talk about volume of a prism, well, volume of a prism area of the base times the height. All we do. So these volumes of prisms should go pretty quick, pretty easy. So example 1, find the volume of the triangular prism at right. So what's going to make up the volume of the prism? The volume of the triangular prism equals the area of the triangle times h, the height. So let's go ahead and calculate that volume. Let's find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, so 5 times 3. So that's 15, half of 15 is 7.5. The height, if we put it up on its triangular base bottom and turned it so it was upright, the height is 5.5. So the volume of this prism 7.5 times 5.5 or 41.25. Example 2. A rectangular water tank is 90 meters long, 60 meters wide, and 40 meters tall. The area of the base is going to be 60 times 90. The height is 40. So our total volume is going to be 60 times 90 times 40 or 216,000 meters cubed. It seems like a big number, but it's a water tank. All right, Hershey's chocolate bar. The volume of the chocolate bar is 2.86 inches cubed of chocolate. So if they've given us the volume, we're working backward. If the length is 5.37 and the width is 2.13, let's find the height of the chocolate bar. Well, remember, the volume is area of the base times the height. And we have everything but the height, so let's just plug in, we'll substitute. 2.86 given to us, 5.37 the length, 2.13 the width times the height. And plugging into our magic calculator, 2.86 divided by those two numbers, be sure to use your parentheses, you will get a height of 0.25 inches. Notice that the units are inches because we're just talking about one dimension there, the height. A starburst. moving along. Has dimensions 0.4 by 0.4 by 0.25 inches. And they're going to be 12 starbursts in a pack. So let's find the volume of the pack. We're just going to do it once. So our volume, well, area of the base, 0.4 times 0.4. Times our height, 0.25, and there's 12 of them. Our volume is 0.48 inches cubed, plugging into the magic calculator machine. Surface area, not including that excess wrapper that they always put on the end. If we were to find the surface area, well, let's see. Surface area. We've got top and a bottom. So 0.4 times 0.4. We're going to have 4 of those rectangular sides. Let's see. Base times. So we're going to have, hold on, my notes are messed up. So then we want the rectangular pieces, which has a width of 0.4, a height of 0.25, and again, there's 12 of those. So plugging into our magic calculator machine again, our surface area is 512 inches. Pause, pause, pause. We're talking about surface area, inches squared. Okay, we're going to find the volume of these 4 shapes here. Okay. We've got a rectangular prism there. Looks square, but it's a rectangular prism. So the volume, area of the base, times 5. How do we do this again? Volume 6 times 5. There it goes. Well, one more time. 6 times 5 times 7. There it goes. 5 times 7. So I'm not sure what's going on here, folks. This might be one of those where you're going to have to do the try it yourself and check the key later. I'll give you the final answers. Volume. Nope, I can't give you those. All right, we did our best today. So I'm going to scan the answers over for this. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great day.